For those of you who don't know, we had an extremely manly weekend in Oregon with our men's retreat. Last year we had 12 men show up. This year we had 18. Someday we'll be as grown up as Karen and have 75 people show up as she did with her women's, and I think that's a low number anyway. So the Mothers Who Know gathering was absolutely phenomenal, and we hope to be like them someday. I felt very strongly about having a meeting with these 18 men where we discussed how to take our energy that has been spoiled and drained from us in our patterns of misbehavior and transition those passion energy into passion projects. So we started a very intense process of having all the guys share their passion project and start to create teams where they're working together as teams to build these projects together. And one of the things we hope to accomplish in that is, as you bring your passion projects to the table, if there's one testimony I've gained when it comes to passion projects, is you must have teammates. You must have teammates to build pressure in a positive and edifying manner and a mutually edifying peer pressure and accountability so that you don't drop the ball.
If you're finding this video helpful or want to help us reach others in need, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe because it really supports our channel. Thank you.
If you want to start becoming successful with your passion projects, and one of the biggest mistakes is, well, I'll do that when I figure one of them out. One of the men who introduced his passion project was very hesitant to do so because all he had was a spark of an idea. That's all he had, was a spark of an idea. I'm not even going to tell you what it was, because we're going to talk about it in Monday night's meeting next week. But he had 5 guys volunteer to be on his team right off the bat because it was such an exciting and intense topic. So we want you to take your warrior energy and turn it into something that can influence 1 or 1 million people. We met part of my motivation is we met a man there that has been a mentor to Dallin for many years. And one of the most amazing things I discovered with this man is he has found a way to influence millions of people, and he's a very normal, simple, nice guy. He has all the features of a nobody, and he has found a way to be an influence to millions. And so I just had another testimony of by small and simple things. So I want to keep emphasizing the point that never let imposter syndrome or I ain't nobody, I'm not a big deal, I'm a middle child of a potato farming family in Idaho. Okay, don't ever let anything sabotage your vision of being a contributor. Because small and simple things are great things brought to pass. And if you're small and simple, you are the exact ingredient that is needed.